Introducing the olive oil sprayer for cooking, a must-have kitchen accessory for precise oil portion control and healthier cooking. This sleek and classy glass oil spray bottle is designed to elevate your culinary experience, allowing you to achieve precision with each spray. The large opening makes it easy to refill with your favorite oils or liquids, while the lock stopper ensures a secure closure without the need for excessive tightening, preventing potential cracks. With a precision sprayer that delivers a controlled 1 gram of oil per full spray, this oil mister promotes healthier cooking by allowing you to control the amount of oil used. This ensures an even coating for a perfect balance of flavor without adding excess calories to your dishes. Crafted with a glass bottle and a toxin-free, propellant-free sprayer, this oil sprayer prioritizes your safety and the purity of your oils, making it an ideal choice for health-conscious cooking. The leak-proof design of the sprayer features a gasket that prevents messes during usage, while the wide opening allows for effortless refilling, ensuring a seamless and user-friendly experience. Suitable for all types of oils, this versatile kitchen companion is perfect for cooking, baking, salads, grilling, and can be used both indoors and outdoors, catering to the needs of both professional chefs and home cooking enthusiasts. The sleek and patented design of the olive oil sprayer not only enhances your kitchen aesthetics but also makes it a perfect gift for culinary enthusiasts. The stylish box presentation adds an elegant touch, making it an ideal gift for any occasion. User tips are provided to ensure optimal use of the oil sprayer, including taking advantage of the stopper feature, initiating the oil flow, and achieving an even coating for an enhanced cooking experience. Elevate your cooking game with this innovative and practical kitchen gadget.